Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by turning on your phone's hotspot and securing it with a password. This creates the source signal for extension. Once done, make sure battery is sufficient or keep the phone charging so the link stays stable. Next, decide. Use a repeater app on a second phone or a portable travel router that supports Wi-Fi WAN or USB tethering. I'll show you how to link devices and why too. 4 GHz often gives wider coverage rather than faster speeds. Now you connect the extender to the phone hotspot and configure it for repeating or bridging. You'll select the hotspot SSID, enter the password, and pick WPA2 for security. This step prevents unauthorized access. Then set the extender's operating mode. Repeater preserves the same network, while access point can create a new SSID to reduce conflicts. Make sure you pick a clear Wi-Fi channel, enable DHCP for simplicity, or set a static IP when you need predictable addressing for devices. Finish by placing the extender halfway between your phone and the area that needs coverage. This balances signal strength and reach. Once positioned, run speed tests in several spots to verify improvement, and then tweak channel or antenna orientation if throughput is low. If connectivity fails, restart both devices, confirm the phone's hotspot data allowance and USB tether permissions, and if using an app, grant background network rights. With those checks, you'll resolve most problems and sustain a reliable extended Wi-Fi network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.